Well, yeah, pretty much just finished this Master of the Woods ring, giving you guys an up-close view of how it looks and how it wears on the hand. This is it right here. So you can get a little close-up so you can see the details behind it. And what is the Master of the Woods ring for? It's for dominance, it's for power, it's for wealth, it's for revenge, as well as protection. A lot of people have said that when they wore this ring, whatever they was doing, it's as though it became magnified. If they was at a company, they found themselves being the boss or elevated to a supervisor position. Whether it's wealth that you're making or whatever wealth that you are achieving, it just gives you a push and elevates you. I had one client tell me that they were able to meet celebrities while working on a job. I call this the Master of the Woods. I know lions are in savannas and all, but I call the Master of the Woods to be somewhat traditional with the Master of the Woods working. I know you heard of Master of the Woods herb. I call this Master of the Woods because it's for dominance and power. And not only that, again, it's for wealth and elevation. Whatever you're doing, it elevates and expands what you're doing.